really old, dirty wreath that I'm going to repurpose with Dollar Tree finds. The wreath itself is really nice, but all this stuff on it needs to be tossed. It's pretty old and disgusting. So let's get started. So this is the finished look, guys. I'm happy how this corner of my porch came out. I think the decorations look very nice and simple, and it's something when I look at it makes me happy that I'm pretty much done decorating. I have to tell you, these wreaths are extremely easy to make. I did a whole video on the pumpkin wreath. That's all with Dollar Tree items. And this fall wreath that you saw me make in this video was extremely simple to do. You just get a nice, stable grapevine wreath and add some flowers and a sign and maybe a couple of pumpkins and you're done. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I love the support. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments box, and I will answer every single one.